Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening door number 16 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, which is LEGO set 75340. This is the front of the box, this is the back of the box, this is the drop down which gives you the snowy scene on Endor. So as far as I haven't put Ewoks in this one this year, which is quite a shock, but for some people that will please some people. So let's do a quick recap. So door number 1 is the Republic shuttle. Door number 2 is the Clone Trooper Commander. Door number 3 is the battle droid tri-fighter. The droid tri-fighter, and door number 4 is the Accumulator assault ship. That is quite nice. That is a very nice build. Door number 5 is the battle droid, Roger Roger. Door number 6 is the Bad Batch shuttle. Door number 7 is Luke's land speeder. Door number 8 is the T-16 Skyhopper. Door number 9 is Christmas C-3PO. With he's got a little Christmas jumper on. Door number 10 is the moisture evaporator from Tatooine. Door number 11 is the V-35 land speeder. It's quite a nice little build. Door number 12 is the Holiday Darth Vader. Try and pull his ball out. Ooh. It would be better if you could hold that, really, I think, but that is quite a nice little figure though. So door number 13 is the Imperial Sandcastle with the bucket and spade. I think that's meant to be his castle on Mustafar. I do apologise if my pronunciation is wrong on that, so do feel free to correct me in the comments. Door number 14 is the B-wing bomber. Quite a nice little build, do like that. I've modded that one out a little bit, so there we go, put the B-wing there. Door number 15 is Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. I think it's Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. That or it's a TIE Interceptor. I think it's, but either way it's cool. So, and it likes to fall apart, but it does look cool. It's probably the second coolest ship in this build, in my opinion. It's very close to the Accumulator class ship, because that's just, like I say, it's brilliantly simple. Next we have now come to the main event, which is door number 16, which is this one here. We'll get this one open and see what we got. We have think we have an Imperial Armoury point, I think. Or an Imperial target range, I think. So that's the poly bag we've got. I'll try and show you the build. See how close I can get that without damaging. Can you see that? But there we go. I'll put that on there. It does come with a blaster as well, so. Not sure if you get a stormtrooper with this set or not. So you start off with a black 4x2 base plate. You have a little 2x1 half box bit goes in there. Have a grey 1x1 3 high like that. A grey 1x1. A grey 1 brick. A grey cheese piece. Hang on, I've done that wrong, I do apologise. You use the grey 3x1 with the arch on it, like so. Then you put the grey cheese piece on top here. You've only got one picture for the instructions, so you've got to sort of be quite careful with this. So then you have two of the grey, you have a grey 1 piece with the hook on the side like that. Then you have another grey 1 piece. You have a grey 4x1 piece. Then you have a big blaster piece, which is just trying to put the targeting bit, can't see how this bit goes. Trying to work out how this bit goes in here. I think I've got it. There we go. It's in, I think. Yeah, it's in. So you stick the targeting bit, the trigger bit in there. Put that bit in there. Attach that up there. Then you've got two Imperial, what they call mouse droids. So you've got a little roller skate, a little black roller skate piece, which is trying to show you that, which is quite artistic. And then you put a black 1 square stud on top there, and that gives you a Imperial mouse droid. It's quite a clever little build, really. So. You've got another grey cheese piece which goes in here. You put your ammo in, spare ammo in there. I think they're meant to go through that hole there, but I think they are a bit big to do that. So anyway, this is a nice little build, really. So. Do some modding out on this, put the spare stud pieces on there, stick that bit in there. It's not the best build in the set, but it's still quite nice. Found the droid's spare arm for the droid in there. So you've got a Not sure that's a target range or what that bit is for, but you got that and a couple of mouse droids, mini mouse droids. They are mini mouse. That's a whole other. That's a completely different thing. So these are quite good. That's quite a nice little build for Christmas. So do quite like that. Well done, Lego. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any other comments or feedback on this video, do feel free to add them at the end of the video. I'll try to give a mention on my upcoming videos. I am on YouTube and Instagram. If you wish to follow me, the more followers I get, the more these videos I can do. Right, stay safe, keep building. May the force be with you, and happy holidays to you all. Hope to see you all on one of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.